Oh, I don't see it. Oh, I do. Look at that bird over there.
Yeah, but look at the dolphins out there.
They just went under. Oh, I see some of them.
Oh, this light is hurting my eyes.
They're coming towards the shore.
There's at least 2 of them, right?
Looks like 3. Wow, I think there might be more than that, actually. Look at them all come.
There's definitely 2.
Can't believe we woke up to this. Oh my gosh, look at them go. This is such an interesting sight. I think it's a family.
That's cool.
Yeah, I think there's... I don't know if there's 2 or 3. There's definitely 2.
I think there's 3. I think it's family. Good morning, YouTube. It's Maya here. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas Day 10. Oh my gosh, guys, we are coming down to the wire. We only have 2 days left. Oh, that makes me so sad. This has gone by really fast, but it's been so much fun. I just realized I literally wear the same sweatshirt every single morning, but that's only because it's so comfy and it has been getting colder and colder here. It's still really cold today. My mom actually woke us up to go see the dolphins that were out there and that big ginormous bird that was walking on the beach. Yeah, we were already up. My mom got us up. That way I could get it on film. I showed that the beginning of this vlog. But I'm not really sure what we're gonna do today. It's still really cold out, so I really don't know if I really want to go to the beach. I'm gonna try to convince my mom to go somewhere, like maybe go mini golfing or something proactive, that way we can get up, because I really don't want to go to the beach. But we're gonna do something today. I'm not really sure what, but we're gonna do something. Me too, Jordan, me too. Also, quick update, our guests actually left today, so we're back on our own. They left before 8, you said, Mom? Around 8 o'clock, so they're off, so it's just us again. Well, we are up and at 'em and heading to go to mini golf. Whoa! You excited, Georgia?
Yeah.
I'm gonna beat you.
I'm getting a hole in one. I'm gonna get a hole in one.
Oh, Mom, you're playing with us today?
Yeah.
Oh, yay, that's exciting.
Why? What else would you do?
I don't know, watch.
Yeah, I'm gonna whip your butt.
I'm gonna whip your butt.
You know what?
I think you need to go up a size. Oh man, I gotta get one of the plain ones because I'm too tall. All in one! I think we all film? Yeah, I did. I think we all know who's gonna win here. Wow, I am sucking today. I think Mom's gonna win this, to be honest with you.
I'm gonna be second.
Because I am sucking so much. So mad my camera was at the lowest brightness setting the entire time. Oh, this means even more editing for me. Mom's adding up the final scores.
Georgia got a 48. Maya got a 45 and I got a 36.
What? So I didn't lose? How is that possible?
I told you.
So we just got done mini golfing and we're heading back to the house. And oh my gosh, guys, I totally forgot to mention tonight is New Year's Eve. I totally forgot about that. Who's gonna be staying up till late tonight? Probably me. I mean, I'm already up late anyways editing, so it won't be that much of a stretch to stay up tonight for New Year's. But yeah, New Year's Eve, guys. That is very exciting. I almost forgot about that. It totally blew my mind off. I thought today was the 30th, not the 31st. I am so far behind. I think it's because I'm on Vlogmas time, because I always upload the vlogs the day after they're actually going on. So I feel like I'm on Vlogmas time, so I feel like it's the 30th, not the 31st. So me, my sister, and my dad are now heading down to the pool just to chill down there and have some fun.
My dreams among the stars while I'm standing on the pavement.
So I've been looking over some of the comments from the previous vlogs of Vlogmas 2016, and I've been getting a lot of questions about why I'm vlogging after Christmas. Well, if you guys read the description or check out this video, I'll have a card or something floating around here. It will explain why I am vlogging past Christmas. But if you're too lazy, I will briefly explain. Basically, Vlogmas is from the 1st of December all the way to the 25th, but I can't vlog them because of school. It would literally be so boring because the vlogs would literally just be me at school, and who wants to see that? No one. That's why I've decided to vlog over break, which is from December 22nd to the 2nd of January, because I still want to do somewhat of Vlogmas, but not do actual Vlogmas. So I hope y'all can understand. Vlogmas is almost over for me anyways, so it's not like this is going to be going on for 25 days anyways. But yeah, update on the actual vlog right now. I'm just kind of waiting until late tonight because tonight is New Year's and the ball drops at midnight, so I'm just waiting till then. Well, it's like 5 o'clock right now. I still have, I can't do math. 7 hours, okay.
Alrighty guys, it is currently 11:45, last final minutes of 2016. Oh my gosh, this year went by really fast. I am very excited for the new year. I have a fresh start on this channel especially, which I'll kind of explain in tomorrow's vlog, but basically I'm kind of privating the past, if you know what I mean. But either way, I am very excited for the new year. I'm not gonna say that 2017 will be the best year of my life because I always say that when the new year comes around, and then by the end of that year, it ends up being not the best. So I won't say it's the best year that I will ever experience, but I think it'll definitely be a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's Eve. It's actually the day after New Year's Eve when you guys are watching this vlog right now. And yeah, we have basically one day left of Vlogmas. Coming down to it. Alright, now I'm gonna stop rambling on and go into the living room so we can watch the ball drop. 2 minutes till 2016 is up. We are currently watching the ball drop on the TV. I have no idea what's going on right now on it, but that's okay. Oh my gosh. Georgia, get up! Get up, we have 1 minute! Get up! Get up, we have 1 minute! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woohoo! You can already hear the fireworks outside, dang. Whoa! Whoa, they're loud. Dang. Oh my gosh.
Good night.
Oh my gosh. They're so loud, what the heck? Oh my gosh. Whoa! Woo! Look at that. Well guys, happy 2017 from the Hennessey family. Well, not all the Hennessey family. My dad fell asleep a little early and the fireworks are still going on outside, so you're probably gonna hear some popping noises. But now would definitely be a good time to end today's vlog. Oh my gosh, so much popping. But if you guys enjoyed today's vlog, then please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what you thought. Also, if you guys want to see even more behind the scenes of my everyday life, then please go check out my social media links. The links will also be down in the description box below. And always remember guys, when you're on the spotlight, strut your stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Happy 2017!